Hello, my name is Steve Freely. I'm founder of Nature's Best Photography and the publisher for Nature's Best Photography magazine. Today we're here at the National Museum of Natural History at the Smithsonian Institution. In 1995, we created Nature's Best Photography with the mission to celebrate nature through the art of photography. Our goal was to involve the public in a very meaningful and far-reaching manner, to involve their pictures from around the world in one place, one of the most prestigious museums in the world, at the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. This shot right here is our grand prize from the 2011 awards program, showing the intensity and beauty of nature and the artistic dynamics of nature in the field and capturing behavior like never before. Really, these images and the photographers are sharing a unique journey from the wild to the walls of the Smithsonian. This relationship is so important in order to reach a large volume of visitors, of the public, that don't normally have the opportunity to see the wild. This way, they're up close and in many cases, almost life-size. And so they're able to see it face to face like they would never be able to in their own backyard or even in the field in some cases. These photographers, their stories, and their life goals mean so much to the success of Nature's Best Photography.
Hi, my name is Charles Chen, and I work here at the Museum of Natural History in the Office of Exhibits. And no matter where they come from, their reactions are always the same. When they come here, there's a few things that they look into. One is that they're surprised and amazed by how these magic moments were captured by these photographers. The second thing is that they connect on a very emotional level with these beautiful images, touching images in a lot of cases. And three, they often want to discuss these images with their families, with their friends.
I'm Chuck Veach, and I am chairman of the board of Nature's Best Publishing and Nature's Best Photography magazine. I'm pleased to have you here at the Smithsonian Museum this morning. One of the real joys of being involved in this is the judging of our photo competition. It is amazing. Every year we think we have seen the best photography in the world, and every year when we open the competition, it seems to get better. This year we had over 22,000 images submitted to us from 56 countries around the world. So it's really quite amazing what we have to choose from to select our winners.
Japan is widely known for its beauty and its cultural connection to nature. Nature's Best Photography Japan will make an extraordinary collection, a place for people to share their images and to explore the wild of Japan. We always feel that it is important to capture the beauty, integrity, and ever-changing faces of the wild. The journey from the wild to the walls of the Smithsonian is an important one, and we feel by adding and embracing the wild of Japan that people around the world will learn more about this incredible and vivid country.